Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to place options trade on Robinhood. If you don't have a Robinhood account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. To start, open the website, then click on Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, search the stock or ETF you'd like to trade options on using the search bar. In this video, we're going to place an option trade for Ford Motor. At the lower right part, you will see a button for Trade Options. Click on Trade Options. In this video, we're going to place an option trade for Ford Motor. At the lower right part, you will see a button for Trade Options. Click on Trade Options. Next, select the expiration date. In this video, we selected December 15th. After that, we have to select the strike price. Click on the plus icon beside the price you wish to select. Once done, click on the Continue button, located at the upper right side. Here, you can change the premium. In this case, the premium we previously selected is 87 cents, but we changed it to 88 cents. You can also change when it expires, either good for day or good till cancelled. Just click on the option you wish to select. After that, click on Review Order. Then follow the remaining on-screen instructions and prompts. That's how you place options trade on Robinhood. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.